Hello everyone, welcome to Art for Kids Sunday. Today we're going to be drawing a cute bunny rabbit to celebrate the past Easter that we just had. So let's get started. Now I have provided a instruction sheet on how to do this, and you can download this for free from the link that I've provided here on the screen. So let's get started. So today I'm going to use my Kurotoga mechanical pencil to sketch this out, and the only two colors that we're going to need is a black and a pink. And that's it. And I've got an eraser here just in case I make a mistake. All right, so let's get started. So we want to start off with his head. So we're going to do a oval, kind of like that. I think that's good. So remember, we want to do this using simple shapes. So keep things easy. So let's put in the body now. It's going to be kind of a half oval, maybe. Maybe like that. Maybe not so big. Remember, the smaller and chubbier it is, the cuter it's going to be. So let's keep it really cute. And let's do the oval kind of like that. I like that. Okay? Okay, so moving on to step 2. So now that we have the head and the body, let's put in the ears. So the middle of the head is going to be about right there. So I'm going to start my ear right here, and we're just going to go up. And it's kind of like the Pikachu we did. And it's going to come down about right there. Okay? The other ear is going to be a little floppy ear. So what we're going to do is we're going to come about right here. And we're going to bring it up like this. Kind of a curved shape. And then we're going to come down like this, that little floppy ear. And about like that, maybe a little bit fatter. Maybe that one's better. Okay, and then we're just going to connect this part to his head. So I think that's good. So we got one ear standing up, and then we got a floppy ear right here. Okay, now let's put his feet in. So we're just going to do 2 little potato shapes here. Maybe one right there, and then another potato chip shape here. Or just 2 little ovals. They're perfectly fine. Okay, we got our feet in. Let's do... All right, so I'm going to put some pink and some colors into his ears, but I'm not going to have that heavy black line. We're just going to do it in colors only. So I'm not going to pencil that in, but just imagine if we have the colors in, it's going to come about like that. And then this one over here is going to be about like that. Okay, so I don't really want to draw that with a thick black line around it. So we're just going to leave it like that. Let's pencil in where the bunny's eyes are going to go. Now remember, to keep things cute, if you keep the eyes spread farther apart, usually the cuter you'll be. So we're going to put the eyes like this. Little circle for a nose in the middle. And then we're going to do a little curve like that and a curve like that. Okay, so let's put his hands in here. We're going to have just two little cute U shapes, just like that for the hands. And our sketch is done. Not difficult, huh? All right, so let's get some coloring in here. So he's basically going to be white, so we're not going to have to do much. So let's just do maybe the pink highlights now. So we want, like I said before, where the inside of the ears here, we want this to be pink. So we can bring that up a little bit more. Just like that. I think that's good. And then this one right here is going to be, the fluff of the ear is going to hide most of it. So we're just going to come right there. Okay, and then we're going to have some pink on his feet. So I'm going to erase this body portion in here. So we'll have just his feet. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to do a bigger circle right here on the bottom. Just like that, and another one over here. And then we're going to have 3 little toes, so 3 little smaller circles. Or you can make them oval shape, it don't really matter. So right there, and then 3 over here. Okay, I like it. Let's get our black pencil now, and let's start doing our outline in here. So what we're going to do is, we're going to do his ears. Okay, that's good. And then the other ear here. Just trace over your sketch. Remember, if you have a part of your sketch that you're not really happy with, you don't have to follow the sketch perfectly. Okay, then let's do his head. Like that. And it's just going to go over the ears like that. Okay, and then his body right here. Remember his little potato feet. Looks good. And then his hands. Don't forget to connect that bottom part there. Okay, let's get his eye in. One eye there, one eye there. And then the little mouth curves like that. Now maybe we can clean up some of these pencil marks. There we go, and we are done with our cute little rabbit. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Remember, you can download the instruction sheet from the link that I provided at the beginning of the video. And I will see you guys next Sunday. Have a great week.